Second movement, E major, 3/4 time signature. What does adagio assai mean, Amelia?
Adagio means slow.
And assai means?
I don't know what assai means.
Is it quite? No, it's not quite, is it?
Very.
Very slow.
So it's very slow, by definition. It's a very slow movement. Overall structure, it is in ternary form. So it's ABA. ABA and a coda at the end. Okay, Matthew, you've already mentioned this. Now the left hand looks like it's in 6/8 because it goes cha-cha. So according to a 3/4 time signature, it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and, so it feels a little bit more like 1, cha, cha. So the left hand has a feeling of 6/8, whilst the right hand is firmly in 3/4. The left hand feeling of 6/8 cha-cha carries on the whole way through the movement, bar 2 bars. So almost every single bar has that same kind of 6/8 feeling in the piano. Okay, first 2 notes of the piano, right hand. X, Y, or Z?
X, Y, and Z.
X, Y, or Z?
Or Z.
Which one?
Why he's asking us a question?
Oh. X.
No?
Why?
Yes.
Y.
They're 2 notes moving by step. Second bar has 3, 2, 1.
Is that Z?
3, 2, 1.
Which one?
It's called 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's not like a letter? Okay.
And then you go from that E at the end of the second bar to the B, and that's classed as X.
The E to the B.
Yeah, here's your X. Okay, so you've had Y, 3, 2, 1, and then an X. Make sense so far?
Yeah.
Great. First 3 bars, E major chord. And then bar 4. What chord have we got in bar 4?
G sharp minor.
G sharp minor, which is the... not tonic, supertonic.
Third. Medium.
The medium. So E major goes into G sharp minor for 2 bars. Before we land now, last bar of the first line, A major 7. Last bar of the first line. Then 3 notes there, so at the end of the end of the first line, you've got a C sharp, going down to a B, going over to a G on the next line. What's that called?
1, 2, 3.
Nope.
3, 2, 1.
No, because that moves by step. We've had an X and we've had a Z.
Z.
Y, so this one's going to be a Z. You've got a Z there.
Not fond of this clash that you put in there.
Which clash?
Between the D sharp and the E. Never sounds right.
D sharp and E.
Yeah.
Which bar?
It's the first one on the second line.
That one.
No. Keep going.
I like that. It's a little bit blurry.
Just think it's some girl, it's not like it.
Write to him and tell him.
Hmm?
Write to him and tell him.
Is he alive?
No. So we've an A major 7 chord at the end of the first line. Next bar. F sharp minus
F sharp
7.
minor.
F sharp minus 7. Check with the F sharp, with the A, you've got an E as well.
Hold on, wrong bar. That's why it's like.
And then you land in an A major on the next bar. A4 goes to A. Next bar along, so this is bar 9, is F sharp minor 6, because it's based on the D sharp. And bar 10 is C sharp minus 7. Got that C sharp minus 7 in bar 10. Next bar starts on an E major chord. So you've got the B in the bass, an E and a G sharp over the C. Now then, if we look at the bass line, we can actually look at the bass line as far back as the end of the first line. Starts to fall. Keeps falling. Falls down to the C sharp at bar 10. Down to the B. Keeps falling to the A, to the G. F sharp. Keeps falling to a D. All the way down to there. So he actually spends, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars there with a gradual descending bass line until we land in that particular bar. Now that bar is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bar 15 with a B in the bottom. Third line, second bar. Bar 15, third line, second bar, and it's a B major chord that we land there. Why is B major interesting?
It's the dominant.
It's the dominant. So he spends an incredibly long time working his way down through the keys into the dominant. Okay, we pass through E major at bar 10, 11, 12, bar 13. Last bar, second line. So last bar of the second line is in E major. Keeps falling down until we reach bar 15 and the B major chord. Okay. Get to to bar number 17. So 2 bars on from your B major, 17, and you're in G sharp minus 7. Okay, bar 18. What's the chord, Muffy?
I don't know.
We've got a diminished chord there. So bar 18, a diminished chord suggesting A major but not really settling it anywhere. '19 has a hint of C sharp minor. And then we land into 20. again, not really settling in any chords. Very, very chromatic here as he moves through his keys. F sharp minor in the next bar.
Is that bar 21?
That will be 21. And then we have a falling bass line at 22. That's 23. And into 24 again. So whilst he's not really settling on any chords, you do see that kind of element of progression happening through sections of this bit. I did say this is the really complicated bit. It becomes much more straightforward when the orchestra comes in over the page. Okay, so we reach bar 24 and we land briefly in E major, the home key. Yeah, on the bar at 24 we're in E major, falls from F sharp minor, and then he moves straight away again off that key. 'Keeps on moving chromatically through. Till we get to 28. Now that's the first bar of the last line. First bar of the last line has got B major 7 in it. 29 is in C sharp minor. 30. Still got a bit of C sharp minor in bar 30. Before we get to E major 7 at 31. So 31, E major 7, A major at 32, F sharp minor at 33. F sharp minor chord, which is a 5-1 into the dominant. So you've got a chord number 5 there, into a chord number 1 of B major over the page. So it lands in the dominant over the page for when the orchestra comes in.
Feels like ages since you've done this.
Only a week.
I know, it just feels like ages.
Does that make sense so far? It's very, very chordy. The main things to notice are it moves in and out of its E major and its different tone centres as it goes through. Lots of use of passing notes, lots of chromatics. Okay, let's listen to that.